Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up the TikTok Pixel and Conversion API on your Shopify store. This setup allows you to track customer actions such as product views, add to cart events, checkouts, and purchases. It also helps improve the accuracy of your TikTok ad reporting and optimization by combining browser and server-side tracking. Let's get started. First, log into your Shopify admin and go to Apps and Sales Channels. If you don't already have it installed, open the Shopify App Store, search for TikTok, and install the official TikTok app developed for Shopify. Once the app is installed, open it and click Get Started. Sign in with your TikTok business account and connect the TikTok Ads Manager account you want to use for advertising. Next, connect your TikTok Pixel. If you already have a Pixel, select it from the list. If not, choose the option to create a new one directly from the Shopify integration. The app will automatically configure the Pixel without requiring you to manually edit your theme code. After that, enable the Conversion API, sometimes called Events API, if the option is available. This allows Shopify to send conversion events directly to TikTok servers, improving tracking reliability even when browser cookies are limited or blocked. Now, choose the data sharing level that best fits your business. In most cases, selecting the maximum or enhanced data sharing option provides the most complete event tracking while following TikTok's integration guidelines. Once the setup is complete, visit your website and perform a few actions, such as viewing a product, adding an item to the cart, and starting checkout. Then, open TikTok Events Manager to verify that events are being received correctly. If you don't see any events, make sure your TikTok Pixel is connected to the correct Ads Manager account and that you don't have another TikTok Pixel installed manually in your Shopify theme. Duplicate tracking can lead to inaccurate reports and event conflicts. You should also review any cookie consent or privacy apps installed on your Shopify store. Some privacy settings may delay browser-based tracking until visitors accept cookies, although the Conversion API can still help improve tracking accuracy. Another useful step is to compare the events recorded in TikTok Events Manager with the activity inside your Shopify admin. If Shopify is recording orders but TikTok isn't showing purchase events, this usually indicates a tracking configuration issue rather than a problem with your store. You should also test your setup after making changes to your Shopify theme or installing new apps. Occasionally, updates can affect how tracking scripts load, so performing a quick test ensures your Pixel and Conversion API continue working as expected. After verifying your events, allow some time for TikTok to process the data. While Events Manager often displays activity quickly, conversion reports inside TikTok Ads Manager may take several hours before they are fully updated. Finally, avoid installing multiple TikTok tracking apps unless absolutely necessary. Using Shopify's official TikTok integration is typically the easiest and most reliable way to manage both the TikTok Pixel and the Conversion API while keeping your tracking accurate. Regularly checking your Events Manager diagnostics will also help you catch any tracking issues before they impact your advertising campaigns. And that's it. That's how to set up the TikTok Pixel and Conversion API on your Shopify store. By installing the official TikTok app, connecting your Ads Manager, enabling the Pixel and Conversion API, testing your events, comparing your tracking data, and monitoring diagnostics, you'll be ready to collect accurate conversion data and optimize your TikTok advertising campaigns. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more Shopify tips and tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.